How to download old version of Google Chrome. Here's where you can find Chrome versions for different platforms and system versions. Let's get the version you need. First, open your web browser and search for Google Chrome. From the results, open the official Google Chrome website. If you just download Chrome from the main page, you'll normally get the latest version. To look for other Chrome download options, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Then click Other Platforms. This opens Google's Chrome Downloads page for different platforms. Now you'll see Download Chrome for other platforms. Look through the available options and select your operating system. Depending on your system, you may see different download choices or versions. Now select the Chrome version that matches your system. Before downloading, make sure the version is compatible with your device and operating system. Then click the appropriate download option. That's it. You can now download the Chrome version that matches your system instead of automatically installing the newest release. If this helped you find the right Chrome version, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.